Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ श्री भगवान सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्य स्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्य धर्म परायणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई वरदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्पुरुषाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सत्य गुणात्मने नमः। ॐ श्री साई साधुवर्धनाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई साधुजन पोषणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वज्ञाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वजन प्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वशक्तिमूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वसंग परित्यागिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वान्तर्यामिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई महिमात्मने नमः। ॐ श्री साई महेश्वर स्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रतिग्रामोद्भवाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रतिक्षेत्र निवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई यशकाय शिरडीवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई ज्योतिरादिपल्ली सोमपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भारद्वाज ऋषि गोत्राय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तवत्सलाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अपान्तरात्मने नमः। ॐ श्री साई अवतारमूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वभयनिवारिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई आपस्तम्भसूत्राय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अभयप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई रत्नाकर वंशोद्भवाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई शिरडी साई अभेद शक्ति अवताराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई शंकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई शिरडी साई मूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई द्वारकामाई वासने नमः। ॐ श्री साई चित्रावती तटपुटपर्ति विहारिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई शक्तिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई शरणागत त्राणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आनंदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आनंददाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आर्तत्राणपरायणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अनाथनाथाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई असहाय सहायाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई लोकबान्धवाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई लोकरक्षापरायणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई लोकनाथाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई धीरजनपोषणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई मूर्तित्रय स्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई मुक्तिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई कलुषविधुराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई करुणाकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वाधाराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वहृदयवासिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वपुण्यफलप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वपापक्षयकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वरोगनिवारिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वबाधहराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अनन्तनुत्तकर्तृणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई आदिपुरुषाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आदिशक्तिये नमः। ॐ श्री साई अपरूपशक्तिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई अव्यक्तरूपिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई कामक्रोधध्वंसिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई कनकाम्बरधारिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई अद्भुतचर्याय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आपद्बान्धवाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रेमात्मने नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रेममूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रेमप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई प्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तप्रियाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तमन्दाराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तजनहृदयविहाराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तजनहृदयालयाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तपराधीनाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तिज्ञानप्रदीपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भक्तिज्ञानप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सुज्ञानमार्गदर्शकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई ज्ञानस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई गीताबोधकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई ज्ञानसिद्धिदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सुन्दररूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई पुण्यपुरुषाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई फलप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई पुराणपुरुषाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अतीताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई कालातीताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सिद्धिरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सिद्धसंकल्पाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आरोग्यप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई अन्नवस्त्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई संसारदुःखक्षयकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वाभीष्टप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई कल्याणगुणाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई कर्मध्वंसिने नमः। ॐ श्री साई साधुमानसशोभिताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वमतसम्मताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई साधुमानस परिशोधकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई साधका अनुग्रह वत वृक्ष प्रतिष्ठापकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सकल संशय हराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सकल तत्व बोधकाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई योगेश्वराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई योगेन्द्र वंदिताय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वमंगलकराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई सर्वसिद्धिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई आपन्निवारिणे नमः। ॐ श्री साई आर्तिहराय नमः। ॐ श्री साई शान्तमूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्री साई सुलभप्रसन्नाय नमः। ॐ श्री साई भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
And Swami's grandfather comes, Kondamaraju. He was still around. Swami was very fond of him. He was a sage-like personality. He was still there. All these people would go to meet Ishwaramma and him. So he comes to Balapatabi's wife and he says, Amma, will you give me some breakfast? So she's very happy. She serves some breakfast for him. And from behind, Swami comes, puts an arm around his grandfather. And Swami says, Naku, for me? And so Balapatabi's wife is so thrilled. So she serves and she gives Swami. And Swami is very happy. So Swami eats that upma and Swami says, will you make lunch also for me? She's excited. She says, yes, Swami, please come. And then Swami very casually picks up one small vessel which is there. An empty vessel. And as they're seeing, Swami taps it and it gets filled with payasam. And Swami says, when you serve me lunch, you can serve this also. It's a very small incident, very simple incident, but what a beautiful message it is. We don't know how to worship Swami. We don't know that we can offer whatever we have to Swami. Swami comes and Swami says, offer, give me. In the times of Shirdi Baba, he went door to door and he said, give me, give me, give me. And when he asked, he wanted the person to believe that Swami is asking me because I belong to him. And Swami came and Swami said, give me lunch, give me breakfast. And Swami made them offer. And Swami made that offering sweet, right? He materialized the sweet. He said, serve this along with your offering to me. He teaches how to offer. He makes you offer. He sweetens your offering and he offers you the prasadam.
अष्टविनायक मंगलदायक मंगलमूर्ति मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया सिंदूर वदना पंकज चरणा गणपति बप्पा मोरया जय गणराया श्री गणराया
भव सागर से पार उतारो,
सागर से पार उतारो,
भव सागर से पार उतारो,
सागर से पार उतारो,
साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान, भव सागर से पार उतारो,
सागर से पार उतारो,
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर,
बुद्ध महावीर,
अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर,
बुद्ध महावीर,
सब नामों की एक है महिमा, सब नामों की एक है महिमा, सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे, सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे,
से पार उतारो, साईनाथ भगवान, सागर से पार उतारो, सागर से पार उतारो। अल्लाह यीशु बुद्ध महावीर, सब नामों की एक है महिमा, सर्वधर्म के पालनहारे, साईनाथ भगवान, साईनाथ भगवान। भवसागर से पार उतारो,
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण,
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 नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण,
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
नारायण 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 श्रीमन्नारायण,
अलक निरंजन भव भय भंजन नारायण नारायण।
In the sunshine or in the shadow, in the bright morning light of your life,
in the sunshine or in the shadow, in the bright morning light of your life,
even when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side.
even when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side.
God is there by your side. God is there by your side.
God is there by your side. God is there by your side.
So in your life, when you shadow. In the bright morning light of your life, even when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side. God is there by your side. God is there by your side. So in your life when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side. You never know night without day. You never know joy without pain. So in your life when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side. So in your life when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side. So in your life when you see only moonlight, know that God is there by your side.
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
राधा माधव नंदलाला
माधव नंदलाला
राधा माधव नंदलाला
माधव नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
नंद किशोरा नंदलाला
किशोरा नंदलाला
नंद किशोरा नंदलाला
किशोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
हे नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
राधा माधव नंदलाला
माधव नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
नंद किशोरा नंदलाला
किशोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
हे नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
नवनीत चोरा नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
हे नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
हे नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
हे नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
हे नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
नंदलाला साई नंदलाला
रास विलोला नंदलाला
हे साई जगन्नाथा हे साई जगन्नाथा हे साई जगन्नाथा साई जगन्नाथा हे साई जगन्नाथा हे साई जगन्नाथा जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे शिरडी जगन्नाथ हे पति जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे शिरडी जगन्नाथ हे पति जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे शिरडी जगन्नाथ हे पति जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ हे साई जगन्नाथ
गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल राधा कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोपिकमाला हारी प्यारी माई मीरा मस्तार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय गोपिकमाला हारी प्यारी माई मीरा मन विहार मदन मोहन मुरलीधर कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय राम कृष्ण जय राधा कृष्ण जय बाला कृष्ण 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 जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण जय कृष्ण 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 जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल बाल कृष्ण जय गोविंद कृष्ण जय गोपाल कृष्ण जय गोपाल बाल
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण
को रहीम दाओ तू, रहीम दाओ तू। वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तू, चिदानंद हरि तू, अद्वितीय तू, अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू, आत्मलिंग शिव तू।
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose portion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
Allah enchu Muhammadiyulu,
Mohammedans call him Allah.
Jehovah enchu Satkraistavulu,
Good Christians call him Jehovah.
Pullabjachudanenchu Vishnu Vaishnavulu,
And Vaishnavites call him as Pullabjach.
Shambho enchu Seivulu sada,
Shaivites call him Shambho.
ప్రలాభమున కొలువ అందరికీ ఐశ్వర్యమును దయను ప్రేమను అందించి కాపాడేటువంటి దేవుడు ఒక్కడే అని భావించుడి.
We may give him any number of names, extol him as Allah, Jehovah, Vishnu and Shiva, but yet the same God confers plenty, prosperity, compassion. God is one.
పేర్లు అనేకంగా ఉంటున్నాయి.
He has many names.
ఒక్కొక్కరు దాని గురించి ఒక మతంగా స్థాపించుకుంటూ వచ్చారు.
And every religion has got its own
ఈ మతములు వేరు కాదు.
In fact, they are different.
మతములన్నీ వేరు, మార్గము ఒక్కటే.
Though religions differ, the path is one.
వస్త్ర భేదము వేరు, వస్తువు ఒకటే.
The yarn is one, though cloth seems to be different.
శృంగారములు వేరు, బంగారం ఒక్కటే.
Jewels are different, but gold is one.
పశుల వన్నెలు వేరు, పాలు ఒకటే.
The color of the cows is different, but
జీవ జంతువులు
milk is
వేరు,
one.
జీవుండు ఒక్కటే.
Though there are many individuals, but the indweller
జాతి నీతులు వేరు, జన్మం ఒకటే.
There may be many of the beings, but the birth is same.
కనుకనే ప్రతి మానవుడు కూడాను తన తత్వాన్ని తాను గుర్తించుకుంటే సత్యము స్మరణకు వస్తుంది.
Therefore, if everyone investigates and inquires to know his true nature, he can experience truth.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
The Lord of the universe is here, Swami Satya Sai is here. Come to send devotees everywhere, come to bless His children everywhere. Born at Puttaparthi, the Lord of the universe is here. Calm and tranquil like the moon, shining with divine inner light, filling all with bliss at His side. He is always serving those in need, answering the prayers of devotees. समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु Peace, 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 peace on earth. Peace, peace, peace for all the universe, for all the universe, for all the universe. Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba Ji ki Jai.
Salam everyone, my name is Deepika and I am the New South Wales Region West Envirocare Coordinator. With Clean Up Australia Day coming up in a couple of weeks, it is a fantastic time to reflect on the importance of such an event. Swami has openly said that man cannot achieve anything without relying on nature. So this upcoming Clean Up Australia Day is a fantastic time for you to give back to your environment and make sure we're supporting Mother Earth. It's also a great opportunity for communities to get together, support one another, and really understand the power of collective action. I hope everyone enjoys the Clean Up Australia Day and you have a fantastic time giving back to your local community.